Today's topic is continuity. Continuity and limit both are nearly same, but the only difference is in continuity, first we will see the definition, mathematical definition, then I will explain you. So, a function f of x is said to be continuous at a point x equals to a if and I double f means if and only if limit x tends to a, f of x equals to f of a, or we can also write limit x tends to a minus f of x is equals to limit x tends to a plus f of x equals to f of a, or left hand limit is equals to right hand limit is equals to value of the function at the point. Okay, so if the question comes in the exam that write the definition of continuity, then you have to write this one or this one. You cannot simply write this one only. So a function, see, if you recall the definition of limit, then limit of a function at a point exists if left hand limit is equals to right hand limit. Now in continuity, we will move to one more step. We will also find the value of the function at that point. So if left hand limit is equals to right hand limit is equals to value of the function at that point, then the function is said to be continuous. Now what is the meaning? Now see, suppose here x equals to 2. We have to find, first we have to find the limit, or we have to check whether the function is continuous or not. So left hand limit means we will accept this x equals to 2, accept x equals to 2, all the points, all the numbers which are in the neighborhood means nearly equal to 2. We will, for example, 1.9, 1.999, 1.9999, 2.1, 2.2, 2.123, 2.1234, like this, okay, nearly equal to 2. So all the points which are in the neighborhood of this x equals to 2, we will find the value, okay, and if left hand limit is equals to right hand limit, then the limit exists at this point, means limit here, somewhere here in the neighborhood. Now left hand limit means the function is approaching 2 from its left hand side, and RHL means the function is approaching 2 from its right hand side. Now in continuity we also find the value of the function at the point. So see, function is, for limit we have included these numbers, and for right hand also we have included this number, means excluding this only. So when we include this number also, then see, we have included all the number, means there is no discontinuity. So in this case the function is said to be continuous at each and every point. Okay, so the definition of the only difference between, suppose if we write up to here LHL is equals to RHL, it means the limit of the function exists at a point, and if we find the value of the function at that point, then the function is said to be continuous. And in the beginning only I explained that the value of the function at the point and limit of the function at that point both are different things. They are not same. Okay, value, how to find value, that we have done in our junior classes, that we have to simply put the value. For example, if I take this function f of x equals to any function you can take, suppose x plus mod x plus 2. So first we will find left hand limit, and we have to find at x equals to 2. Okay, we have to find the limit at x equals to 2. So for left hand limit we will find limit x tends to 2 minus, okay, we will replace x by 2 minus h, and for right hand limit x tends to 2 plus, then we will replace this x by 2 plus h. Okay, and finally in continuity what we will do, and at the last we will find f value of the function at 2 means f2 we will find. So mod 2 plus 2. This is the way. Okay, I have just taken one example. So in continuity, left hand limit, we will find left hand limit, we will find right hand limit, and we will find the value of the function at that point. Now since we have already done so many questions related to topic limits, so we'll continue. So continuity, we can, now it's simple to find whether the function is continuous or not. We only need to check the value of the function at that point.